Hey, it's Anna with WTI. If you want to make sure you have the perfect cup of coffee no matter where you are, you should get this travel pour over kit.
This V60 pour over kit comes with everything you need to make the perfect cup of coffee while you're traveling. It has a manual grinder, coffee spoon, coffee scale, a pour over kettle with the gooseneck, a coffee server, this V60 glass dripper, a really beautiful double walled mug, and it all goes together in this shock-proof case. It has room for everything in its own little place, so everything is perfectly nestled in there and held tight. And I also appreciate how there's room for you to put your coffee beans and other coffee accessories right into the case with you. We all know hotels try their best to give us really good coffee makers, but there's nothing that compares to making yourself a beautiful pour over. So whether you're traveling, camping, on a road trip, you can rest assured you're going to be able to make your perfect cup of coffee, and everything is going to travel so well and safely with you. It is really just such a high quality travel set.
So if you want to have the perfect cup of joe on the go, you are going to love this travel pour over kit, and that is my point of view.